Oh my god. Wait. Where's another one? I can't actually hear it. Whoa. What? Wait a minute. Wait. I can actually hear it from the right area. In the front. Whoa, there's another one. Whoa. Oh my. Oh. Holy crap. This is so many, guys. Oh my god, this is so many fireworks. The guys, it's already like 10 p.m. and the fireworks are coming and people are sleeping. Dude, did you hear that? Where's another one? Jeez, what the heck is that? There's so many. Dude. Oh my god. What the heck was that? What? What the hell? Oh my god, I can actually see the smoke. Oh my god.
1, 2, 3. There's a lot of more. There's a lot of more.
There's more? I don't see any more.
What?
Oh, it might be coming soon.
More coming soon?
Well, I think how did you know this? How do you know, Aria? How do you know?
More. Whoa.
Whoa, it just turned green. Whoa. What the hell is that spot? What the hell is that fireworks?
Whoa, I hear that right over there.
Damn. It's kind of cool. Wait.
Good luck. Any more fires in here?
Wait, guys, it's still dark and it's only like. Oh my god, it's only like. Wait, I think another one's coming.
What?
Well, I can actually hear it from my right and the front.
No.
Dude.
What is more? What is
What's that?
more? What is more?
Well, I think I see. Oh, I think I see.
Whoa.
Oh, did you hear that? I can actually see the smoke.
Smoky.
Oh my god. Whoa, there's another one. Whoa, what was that? Fireworks.
Coming right here.
Yeah, I think so. Whoa. There's so many. And it lights up. Dude.
No, come on. One more chance.
Hey guys, subscribe if you love fireworks.